Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to set the best audio settings for Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. Now we're going to hop over to settings. Under quick settings, so go to all settings. From all settings, I want to click on display and sound. I'm going to come down to say sound. So system sounds is the first option. Turn that on or off if you want to hear feedback when you click on anything in the system. Now advanced. So when it comes to advanced sound, you have to check the selected formats. So this can be a game changer for your audio if you know what you're doing. So I'm going to guide you. By default, it is set to automatic. So it will enable only the formats that are supported by your audio output device. But the issue is sometimes you can get this wrong. So you could choose to do it manually. If you know what device you have and you know what supported format it is, you will just click on manually. Manually, you will select enable or disable each format based on the supported device. So for instance, if you have a Dolby Digital Plus, you will put this on and put the rest off. If you have DTS and you don't have this, you could turn DTS on and put this off. I actually recommend, if you're not too picky about audio and it sounds reasonable, just click on automatic. Next, you want to click on never use surround sound. If it's already turned on, just click on it to turn it off. So you don't want it to look like this. Click on it so it's off, and then click on what you want, either automatic or manual. If it's manual, you choose the format. So you can show format to see all of the formats available and make the selection. That's going to make your audio very, very distinct if you have very good audio outputs and maybe surround sound. So that's all I have for you in this tutorial. If you found that insightful, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.